The Pixel 8 Pro has already been revealed in a leaked official teaser. We've now got information on the specs that show this isn't just another Pixel. So first story of the day, for those of you that missed it, we had the Pixel 8 Pro fully revealed in this leaked official teaser. Now the leaked teaser video not only confirmed that the Pixel 8 Pro is going to look exactly the same as we thought and the same as these renders that I've created for you, but it also confirmed that this new sensor that we see on the phone is a temperature sensor. The new temperature sensor is a dedicated infrared thermometer, and this can accurately measure your body temperature by moving it across your head. Now I'm a bit confused with this one, as yes, it is useful, but I'm not sure why it needs to be on your phone. The sensor can reportedly measure temperature of objects as well, and I'm wondering if Google have some more uses for it that we're not yet aware of. Now next up, we've got confirmation of wireless charging of the standard Pixel 8 thanks to the new WPC certification, but it's really not that exciting. It confirms that the standard Pixel 8 is going to support 12-watt wireless charging, which is the same as its predecessor, and it also confirms that it won't be supporting the new Qi 2 standard either. Now to confirm, this is for the standard Pixel 8 and not the Pro, and we're hoping to see some improvement to the Pro's charging, and maybe this is just part of a cost saving to make the standard Pixel 8 that little bit more affordable. When it comes to both Pixel 8 models though, we've got confirmation that we could finally be seeing a more powerful chip from Google. Since Google made the switch to their own Tensor chipsets, they've performed brilliantly with the OS and their AI functions, but in terms of raw CPU performance, they've used older generation cores, and this has resulted in much worse performance than the competition. The new Tensor G3 that's going to be present in the Pixel 8 series, however, is seeing some major upgrades to the CPU block, and it's been redesigned with newer ARMv9 cores, and it's moved away from its 4+2+2 setup to deliver a new 9-core CPU. Now put in simple terms, it's using newer CPU cores to deliver significant improvements in the CPU performance. When it comes to the Pixel 8 Pro, we're getting a 6.7-inch 120Hz AMOLED display, we're getting the new Tensor G3 chipset, and a new camera design on the rear camera module. Now the primary camera is going to be a 50-megapixel ISOCELL GN2 sensor from Samsung, and we're also getting an ultra-wide and a periscope camera. Google usually impress us with the software more than anything, so we can expect plenty of new AI features in the software, as well as improvements to the previous features. We've already heard about a new video on blur coming to the Pixel 8, and this is going to restore poor quality videos taken from older smartphones or cameras, and we're hoping for much more. Now as always, when it comes to the Pixel leaks, Google aren't very good at keeping things a secret, so we can be pretty sure that everything we've heard so far is correct, and that the information is going to come flooding in way ahead of the official launch. Now of course, I'll be sharing everything as soon as it does come in, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future.